So I'm still running the iPadOS 16 beta right here on my M1 iPad Pro, and there's one feature that has me really excited, and it's called Focus Filters. Focus Filters is a new feature that Apple is adding to focus modes that actually allows you to customize what email accounts, what calendars, even tab groups in Safari are viewable when you change focus modes across all of your devices. The reason I'm so excited about this is because I have long struggled with balancing work and weekend, not working when I'm supposed to be off, making sure I can spend time with my family and be focused, like focus mode says. And I've done lots of crazy things. I used to use the Light phone, if you remember that. It's actually a phone you could tie to your personal phone number, but it only takes calls, doesn't do text or data or anything like that. I tried using that. I even tried to live that double phone life where I had like a phone for the weekends and a phone for work. Because I don't know about you, but for me, if I just know that there's work in there in the email app or I get a text from someone, I just automatically go into work mode. And so I really need to make that hard break between the weekend and time off and work time. And Focus Filters is truly the answer to solve this issue where you don't have to have multiple devices, multiple phones. You can basically change your device depending on your focus all the way down to your email, calendars, and all of that. Super excited about it. So let's jump into Focus Filters and see what options we have available. So again, here we are running iPadOS 16. I'm going to jump into the Settings app, and then I'm going to go to Focus, which is where you would normally create and filter focus modes. And so here I'm going to go to my weekend focus mode. I have just specific people who can contact me and certain apps. I have my home screen changed. Those are all things you could do before with regular focus modes. But now you'll see there's an Add Focus Filter option. And when I tap Add Focus Filter, these are the different things that you can filter or change depending on focus mode. So as being my weekend focus mode, maybe I want to adjust what email accounts show up in my Mail app. And here I can choose what email boxes appear in the All Inboxes section of my email. So let's say I still want to see my personal email, maybe my G Suite email, but none of my other work accounts. So I'll hit Done, and that'll be the one email account that I see when this focus mode is active. I can also change what calendars are available, all the different calendars I have in my iPad or my iPhone, and developers have access to an API. So an app like Fantastical could actually manage those calendar sets depending on focus modes. Hopefully they can update their app for that. Even other to-do apps, like I use Things. It would be awesome if certain workspaces or areas are only available for certain focus filters. So maybe they'll add that as well. Again, you could actually do tab groups that are open depending on which focus mode, and you can even choose low power or dark mode. So I did the email focus filter. Let's see what that looks like when this focus mode is active. And so now when I activate that focus mode, I'm going to go to my weekend focus mode. Now when I jump into the Mail app with that focus mode active, it will only show me emails in my All Inboxes list from my Google account, my personal email, but nothing else. And you'll see it's filtered by focus right up here, and I could turn that off if I want to see emails from all my accounts. If I go into the sidebar here, I do have the option of jumping into my other inboxes, but as you can see, there's little moon icons for the different email accounts that are disabled in this focus filter. So I can still go to another inbox and see emails, but it takes those couple levels deep of opening the sidebar, clicking an email inbox to actually view it. This is huge for me because what I'm struggling with is like muscle memory, just opening the email app naturally. Even if it's not on my home screen, I'll just end up searching in Spotlight for it and opening the email app. But now, even if I inadvertently open the Mail app, I can choose to only see emails to my personal email address. Maybe it's a confirmation from a food order or an Uber or something like that. I can still get those emails, but I won't see any of my work emails by default when this focus filter is on. And again, you can extrapolate that to the calendars, tab groups in Safari. And if you want to create a focus mode that's just for a specific work or a specific client, you can have a tab group for that client or work, plus who can contact you during that time. And that email account would be the only one that's active. So you can really create focused worked time and focused time off. This is such a big deal for me. I'm very excited to use it across all my devices. I'm not daring enough to put the beta on my iPhone and my main Mac all the time, so I can't really take advantage of focus filters just yet. But when it's all released publicly this fall, September, October time, I know I'll be creating lots of focus filters. I think it's a great option. And I'd love to know what app developers out there might be developing for focus filters, or what apps you would like to see use focus filters in their app updates this fall. Thanks for tuning in. If you learned something, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have more questions about iPadOS 16 or iOS 16, drop a comment below. I'm going to do a more in-depth video on Stage Manager. Had a lot of questions on Stage Manager in my last video, so I'll be doing that soon. And Apple has actually said that they're going to be making updates throughout the summer. So I might wait till beta 2 to do a follow-up on the Stage Manager feature. But again, thanks for tuning in. You can also shoot questions to me and follow on Twitter @StevenRobles. and I have a bunch of links to the stuff that I do in the video description. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you next time.